Hey everybody, Barrett here from Tempo League. So as of the making of this video, I live in an apartment, but I wanted to be able to keep playing drums. So let me show you the setup that I have to be able to do that. I have a Ludwig Breakbeats kit, the standard sizes that come with the kit. I've got Silentstroke heads made by Remo, and I have Zildjian L80 Low Volume cymbals. Those are 14-inch hi-hats, and I got the 20-inch ride. So what I like about this setup is I can work on coordination here and then take it to my big kit. Yes, the sizes and spacing is different on both kits, but number one, I want to be able to play on any kind of kit and sound good. And number two, I have noticed a big difference. What I work on here and then take to my big kit is much more polished, and I'm able to learn it much quicker than if I just go straight to my big kit and try to play it cold. Another thing I like is that it just feels so much better than any other solution I've tried, than rubber pads or those Evans sound off pads. I think I have one of those. This didn't feel very good at all. What I don't love is playing the Zildjian low volume cymbals with wood tips. It can be a bit harsh, so sometimes I use hot rods or little Remo rubber tips. Also, using a Silentstroke head on the kick drum, it can be a bit bouncy. It doesn't bother me too much, and since it's a practice kit, it's totally fine, but that might bother you. And then the Silentstrokes are mesh heads, and they feel good to me, but sometimes the stick will like squeak along the top, and that can be a bit annoying when you're playing fast, but again, just a practice kit, so it does what I need. So if you want to keep looking into this, these type of kits are called jungle kits. These smaller, more compact sets. So another thing I'll say is that Stephen Clark, the Non-Glamorous Drummer channel, has some great videos on this kind of stuff, drumming in an apartment and staying quiet and that kind of stuff. I'm curious to check out the Aquarian Superpad because of one of his videos, and I'd recommend you take a look at his videos as well, get some more ideas. And the last thing is, if you're ever frustrated by drum videos and how everything looks so effortless in drum videos, but when you try it out, it sounds awful, you probably need to develop hand technique and foot technique. And that's something I didn't have for a long time. I actually learned pretty much all of my hand technique by watching videos online. And I packaged everything that I learned up into my Better Hands course, my Better Feet course over at tempoleague.com. You can start a free trial of each and see if it's going to work for you. But I really feel like I kind of cut to the chase and help you learn the stuff that's really going to help you improve your drumming, have a lot more fun. And to be honest, I was ready to quit drumming. And I learned hand technique and foot technique, and it just opened up all kinds of doors. So I hope it works for you too. Thanks for checking this out. Have a good day.